It did before. There we go. We're good.
That's lit. All right, so we're in Winners Round 4. We got Noe3 and Naga and SDX and iModerz up here. Doubles at MISFIRE. Check this shit out.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Can I say oh.
Oops.
Whoops. We'll esports that out.
Yeah.
So these boys are very confident.
Yeah, I mean, you saw them earlier. They looked, you know, with all the taunts and the such. I mean,
yeah,
pretty much
know.
Disrespecting. They know who they are out here. You know what I mean? They know they're good enough. So
disrespect is fun though.
It is.
I mean, I can't fault them for doing it.
No, yeah. And it was funny.
Why was like everybody was watching that set?
Yeah, literally
like,
everybody in the venue.
Everyone in the venue was, huh? What? You're on the left? But you're sitting on the left. You're sitting on the right.
I already switched it. I'm out here. All right, so we got iModerz, SDX still.
SDX and iModerz. SDX. How do you even say SD? Like, how do you pronounce it?
Sticks. Sticks. It'd probably be Sticks, right?
SDX.
That'd be pretty cool. That'd be better pronunciation. I like that. Sticks.
SDX.
Yeah.
SDX.
SDX. All right, so here we go. Game 1, going to Final Destination.
It's funny. This is the initial game, but the final destination.
Yes, very strange, indeed.
Mega Man and Mario. That's
interesting combination. We'll see how it works out for him. Truly.
Two mascots of their
respective.
Yeah. What is Mega Man? Namco?
No, he's Capcom.
Capcom. Frick.
I said Capcom.
What was I thinking? Oh, Namco is Pac-Man.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Are there even any other Capcom like people that you would know of?
Ryu.
I mean, okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
No, you're definitely
that's
right.
a good one.
Ryu is in this game, if you believe that.
Yeah. What a time to be alive. So right now, Noe3 getting just abused. And
yeah, they're all getting abused.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal.
I'm just... Okay. There's basically two parts of this game. There's on the ground, which I call the Bayo waiting room, and in the air, which is the Bayo will see you now. There's no in between.
Yeah. Exactly. So
they're reading some magazines. They're like, oh boy, I can't wait to see the Bayo.
It's like,
I can't wait for her to combo me off the top.
I'm so excited. What flavor will it be today? I thought we were gonna see the fairs come out.
I do get a bad taste in my mouth every time I play Bayo.
Yeah,
every time I play against Bayo. I've never played. Yeah. Make no mistake.
I've tried her, and I was like, I can't.
Make no mistake.
So, Naga, not looking good, gets hit by the giant fist and does not die though. Naga is gonna die from that though. The witch time comes through.
iModerz honestly took more of that forward smash than Naga did.
He did. A lot more. Okay, Naga off stage again. Gonna recover. Gonna take stage control back for the entire red team. But, you know, iModerz is there to clean it up. Take them both off. That's within, of course.
Yeah.
Classic Bayo.
Yeah, classic Bayo. Oh, yo, that's a punish right there. Yeah, there we go, Naga.
Gets the F smash out. Okay, that's gonna take that stock. So
that was actually pretty clean by Noe3. He just came through. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I said that like 3 times. He just came through with the forward air, with the precision.
Yeah.
He just gave him the old slice, like delicious.
Back air, but it looks it's weird because like his aerials are hard to figure out what they look like.
Mega Man's?
Yeah.
The back throw is the rainbow.
Uh-huh.
That's like, you know. Then the forward throw, I guess, was like Fire Sword.
Yeah, yeah.
And then up air is, you know,
a little
the Wind's Requiem.
Tornado guy. Wind's Requiem, yeah.
Yeah. And who cares about down air?
Yeah. He throws the giant fist.
So, do you imagine could you get any use out of... Oh, wow.
iModerz slipped in between the Bayo combo.
Sent him straight to the moon.
Yeah, just to get him with the up air. That was real smooth. Heel slide coming through, like a Noe3 way.
I'm not a scientist, so correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I don't think the Earth and the Sun are supposed to be that close together.
No, that is very dangerous. In fact, I think by that point we'd all be dead, right?
Yeah.
Some crazy super heat death and the up tilt from Noe3, and he's going to taunt.
Oh wow, SDX and iModerz are down to their last stock.
Yes,
and but so are Noe3 and Naga.
Yeah, so I mean it's close. It's mad close. after that up tilt, kind of reset the whole game. You know what I mean? So see how this goes.
Yeah, we'll look to see. It's basically a fresh start, like a clean. It's like the game never even happened until now.
Exactly. And right now, I mean, like, iModerz just kind of ran through a ringer right there, but he didn't take a whole lot of damage for it. I think that's going to be their problem, is those pellets don't do...
Yo, Naga is actually putting in work right now.
He is. He's
this Naga is out here.
Runs in, gets his stuff off, and just gets away. You know what I mean? Helps his teammate out when he needs it.
Nagas need to chill out here, though. Doing too much.
Right, so the back air, we have SDX in disadvantage. Oh, the dare! Ends up clipping iModerz instead. All right, so Noe3. It's nared. Oh, up smash does not connect. Down
yeah,
tilt.
you can't. It's so hard to actually grab and throw somebody in doubles. Like, especially if you're gonna go for the pummel, you almost just have to throw them immediately.
Exactly, yeah. Up throw from both. Yeah, he should probably just let MISFIRE go up there after the up throw, right?
Oh, you can punish that witch time.
Yep, he could have.
You could have punished that witch time.
And that back air could have killed Naga, but he missed it as he's falling from the up B. Okay, up smash coming out from Naga, does not connect.
Everybody is looking mighty red right now.
Yeah, everybody's looking for that one hit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's all. I guess that's really all you need.
Oh, the up air!
Wow, he's dead!
MISFIRE is dead.
He is super dead.
So now all we have is a lowly Bayo in SDX.
Yeah.
Looking mighty in pain. Also,
oh, wow, the forward smash! Yo, this Naga crazy!
Ends him, and Noe3 and Naga take game 1 in round 4 here. All right.
Let's go. All right.
That's impressive.
Yeah, that was good. Do you remember the last time I commentated a game in which SDX and iModerz lost in game 1? Do you remember that?
Yes.
Do you remember what happened? Oh, he's actually going Mewtwo.
Okay, so now it's for real. So we have the Mewtwo coming out from SDX.
That's kind of weird because I was under the impression that Mewtwo isn't great in doubles.
Well,
at least I would say Bayo is better.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a comfort pick too.
Well, yeah, it's his best character, and it's also the best character in Upstate. So like.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you really can't go wrong.
Yeah. I think he knows more than we do.
Yeah, no
matter. You know what? If after he watches this VOD, he's gonna tell us.
Yeah, yes, he will. So, right there, he did a pretty good number on MISFIRE right there after the nair. But you know, some old habits die hard, I guess. So.
Yeah. Here we are, grand finals, SDX versus iModerz.
So we have a angry plumber. So
dude, don't we all? Like
everybody knows one. I guess.
Dude, Mewtwo and Fox have been flushing down those those baby wipes that you're not supposed to flush.
Yeah, and he's just like, could you stop?
You're clogging up the pipes. Mamma mia, dude.
Don't worry though. Fox took the anger management after the nair up smash. He's right back to it.
Yeah. You know what? Honestly, I don't think I could take Fox seriously.
No.
Number one, because he's literally a Fox man. But number two, he is just a stone cold weenie.
Yeah. Well,
like,
you see his voice? He's like, yeah.
Like, I'm Fox. Hey, Mewtwo, do you want to go beat some people up? Let's run up on these hoes. Hey, fire.
Now.
And Mewtwo is just Mr. Edgy.
Exactly.
Mewtwo is too much. Mewtwo is...
He's like... He wants to be cool.
I think if you saw Mewtwo in high school, he'd definitely be wearing a trench coat all the time.
Yes, black trench coat,
like,
black sunglasses.
These people know nothing about my pain. It's like, shut up, Mewtwo.
He knows about pain right there, though. Norm, up tilt.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, catches him with the up smash. So, stocks are even.
Yeah, stocks are even. Just not, like, completely
No.
But you know what we're saying.
Yeah. So...
Yeah.
Noe3 looking like he could be gone any second here.
Oh, he
wanted that.
He wants that back air, yeah, for sure. Because Fox's recovery is mad exploitable.
The fair comes through for SDX to take out his teammate, which is unfortunate.
Not a huge deal.
Not the biggest, but I mean, like it's not great. I mean, that's not gonna be important for later.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to see, but really what they have to do is just even it up here. Honestly, Naga is getting close to death percent, if not at death percent now.
Yeah, and
this is when we're going to start to see the stocks falling. Because if Naga dies, he's going to have to take the stock from Noe3, and then...
Yeah, that's when things get a little wild. And there he goes at the back air, and he's going to have to take that stock just like you said.
Yeah, so a big flip-flop in stocks there.
Yeah. Okay, gets the throw to the nair. He goes for the dash attack. I think that was supposed to. Oh, he's dead.
Wow, Naga's
He's
dead.
dead.
Yeah,
SDX,
he sure
and then he
is.
taunts on him. He's like, remember that taunt you did?
Is.
Remember
yeah.
that taunt?
All right. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Another one?
He's like,
All right.
remember me. Remember the name. So the up tilt's coming out. Gets the up air, the back air. Noe3.
Yeah, don't
Down
air
air.
dodge, dude. I'm like, that's such a hard position to be in, right? Because it's like, okay, he's gonna forward air me, right? So I'm
Yeah.
gonna go low, and just I'm gonna throw in a nice spicy air dodge just for sure. No, you can't do that.
You can't do that.
You can't do that. He will spike you.
Will
Oh
send
my
you
God, he
to the
loves that
depths.
spike.
He does. He loves it so much, and it just feels good too.
Yeah,
like
it feels good to spike anybody in this game because they're just dead.
exactly. Just
Oh
like,
my God,
to
killing
the
people
blast.
early, dude. Oh, I just want to take some early kills and just spread it all over a damn bagel and just eat it for breakfast. Whew.
Started thinking about it.
When is singles gonna start?
Yeah.
I want to kill somebody before it's smash.
Again.
Yeah. Speaking of, we're gonna go to a stage, and I'm not sure if we've decided what stage yet, but when we do,
Yes.
we'll know. What is that?
What is what? Good question. What is that?
I don't know.
I kind of want to like. It looks like you can open it.
I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care that much.
All right. Fair enough. So, still wondering where we're gonna go for stages. Maybe
Town City?
City. Maybe Smash Roll. One of the
Smash
two.
Roll, Woo Island, Pilot Wings.
Yeah, Pilot Wings is legalized Pilot Wings. You know what? I'm just gonna throw it out there.
Pilot Wings is just weird FD for half
Yeah.
the time, except
mean,
for when
and
you're
then-
on the red plane.
and it tilts.
Yellow plane, it's fine.
Yellow plane is FD.
Does it tilt?
It tilts on I think the red plane.
Disgusting. There's only one tilting stage allowed here, and that would be Lilac Cruise.
Yes. Big and beautiful. As we start up here, not on Lilac Cruise, but on Battlefield.
Battlefield is basically Lilac, except for it's not in space, and the platforms are different, and it doesn't tilt, and the ledges aren't terrible.
So basically Lilac is what you're talking about.
It's Lilac, though.
So Naga's dead, and that's an SD,
Naga.
and that is not what you want to see, especially against the caliber of players such as SDX and iModerz. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, you gotta be on your A game.
yeah.
Sorry, you gotta be on your A game going against them.
So, and Noe3 right now, high percent himself. So, going for the spike again. He almost got it. The up tilt comes through. Really only hits Naga there.
Sure, you can.
Sure, you can. So he hits
Another one?
Yeah. Just throw another one.
You might as
throw
well.
another one. Might as well just hit him with it. Gets nared off stage instead. So up smash from SDX not connecting anything.
Yeah, not a big punish there by Noe3. Just one lemon. One.
Just a single lemon.
Oh
Ooh.
boy.
Savagely eats that
Yeah,
shadow ball.
when life gives you lemon, you give him shadow ball.
Absolutely. So he looked to read that get up option with the up tilt from Noe3. Did not get it. And right now, blue team hasn't lost stock yet.
Yeah,
Looks like
and
it might change soon.
SDX is looking like he's trying to kill Naga right now.
Yeah.
Again. Like, things have sort of, after a pretty strong showing in Game 1, things have sort of fallen apart here for the red team.
Yeah, and that up smash is going to take that stock. So,
Ooh, I thought we were going to see a down air or something, but he was charging the shadow ball.
yeah. So it's a little difficult to get that out.
He sauced him.
Yeah, and he actually took a ride on Rush right there too. So I thought
Yeah.
maybe we were going to see something real fancy. Unfortunately, not to be.
I forgot the dog's name is Rush.
Yeah,
All right.
Up tilt, and
All
that
right.
was but knocked him off there.
So blue team finally losing their first stocks here.
Ooh,
Okay.
was that crash bomb?
Oh boy.
Wow, is that crash bomb the dare?
That sure was something. It
That
looked
was
like it.
savage. Oh, he goes for the footstool disable.
Yeah, iModerz text those.
Yeah, he survives that. I mean, come on.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, you can't really tech that, but he's back.
Yeah, he tried to save him, but he was already back. So, man, red team is looking mighty unhealthy.
Yeah, they're looking anemic right now. They're
Yeah.
just hemorrhaging stocks.
It's pretty bad. Okay, Naga trying to get something started, gets an F smash, knocking SDX off. They're both in disadvantage, but here comes blue team saved him. He's like,
please.
you're not done with him. We were having fun. Don't kill him yet. All right, so
Are they doing that thing now where they goof off?
I don't think they are. I think this is too good of caliber of players to do that on. And the up smash comes through.
So
Lots of taunts.
one Naga.
All right, we got taunts coming in from everyone now. So Naga with the down throw gets the up B. I mean, if any character can do it, it might be Mario.
Rage Mario is the best character in the game.
Yes.
Allegedly.
Oh, okay. He got the footstool.
Okay.
Didn't finish it.
Yeah, I can guarantee you this. If he did that one, he definitely would have done another one. You think he was doing one footstool disable?
No.
He was going to go boop, boop, boop.
Or they would have both charged like an F smash or something dumb. You know, like
yeah.
they would have been like a brutal hit. Oh, didn't get the cancel. He's gonna get grabbed for that back throw. Doesn't matter. Up smash takes him out. iModerz SDX take game 3.
That's it.
Yeah.
So a solid opening paragraph by Noe3 and Naga, but unfortunately they just. Once they reached the body, they just sort of fell apart. Not enough sources. Yeah. I mean, come on, Wikipedia, dude.
Yeah.
Really?
Like, I went to Wikipedia. It was the whole second paragraph.
Yeah.
Your conclusion was weak, and SDX and iModerz give you an F.
Okay. Rest in